You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive 2012 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, DVD navigation system package, keyless start. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.